Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your address on the YouHodler application. So let's get started right away. First of all, tap on the YouHodler application to open it up, and then you might be asked to enter your passcode or provide your biometrics to log in. Just go ahead and provide them, and once you are logged into your account, you will be taken into your home page, which is the wallet screen by default. Now, from this page, in order to change your address, you will first need to verify your identity. But if you haven't verified your identity, you will still be able to set up your address for the first time. So tap on the More button at the bottom right corner and then tap on Identity Verification. From this page, you will be allowed to enter various of your personal information, which includes your government-issued identity as well. You will also need to provide your picture along with your phone verification. Once you provide all of these, your address will be recorded from your identity document that you provide and also from your phone. So you can simply continue forth with your identity document, your selfie and the verification with phone, and your address will be set on YouHodler. You can change your address after activating your account anytime from the same menu. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your address on the YouHodler application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.